Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making roasted beetroot and sweet potato. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Spread the beetroot on an oven tray and drizzle a third of the oil over the top. Mix it all together thoroughly and place the tray in the oven for 15 minutes. While the beetroot is cooking, mix together the remaining oil, pepper, garlic powder, sugar and salt. Now add the sweet potato and onion and give it all a really good mix. After the beetroot has been in for 15 minutes, add the sweet potato and onion to the tray. Spread everything evenly and return to the oven for 45 minutes. Give the whole tray a mix a couple of times while baking to ensure it all cooks evenly. Serve these great vegetables with any main course and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.